हेलो चैंपियंस, नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे आप लोग? होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेफ और स्वैग से स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल में। कैसे आप लोग? होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेफ। नाउ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज रिगार्डिंग द एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग. As every year, actually, like in the previous years also, we have a huge demand on this particular paper because no such institutes they are providing the relevant courses on it. कहीं पे provide हो भी रहा है तो बहुत ज़्यादा price हो रहा है. And also what are the future benefits about this of appearing in this particular paper and what should be the preparation strategy. ये सारी चीज़ें मैं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ. So stay tuned to the end of the session, and if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now. So सबसे पहली बात, if I talk about the future scope of it, firstly you can see the number of PSUs who are actually recruiting through this environmental science and engineering. It has grown manifold, firstly. Secondly, earlier there were no posts at all. आप पिछले बार अगर आप देखोगे कोल इंडिया, DRDO, IOCL, बहुत सारे जो है एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग के लिए वो अलग से एग्जाम भी ले रहे हैं. दे आर टेकिंग सेपरेट एग्जामिनेशन. सो इफ यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द गेट बैकग्राउंड, एक्चुअली गेट के हिसाब से अगर आप प्रिपेयर हो तो आप उस एग्जामिनेशन में आराम से जा सकते हो. फर्स्ट. सेकेंड is basically, since the competition of the environmental science and engineering is comparatively less than the branches like civil or something, so you can get a much higher gate score with a much lower gate marks. And this is, I am saying, with the example of my students in the previous year. If you one of my students, he has got rank 10, AIA 10. He is right now in IIT, in NITI Mumbai. One of my students, he has got rank 15. His gate marks was only 57, and his gate score is nearly 800. And the person who has got rank 10, his gate marks is 60, but his rank gate score is 838, and he can directly get admitted into NITI Mumbai. Which, suppose you have got 60 marks, which he actually had got around 60-65 marks in civil engineering paper, 60 around marks, but he could not get into NITI Mumbai through his civil engineering score. It's obviously not possible, because if you get 60 in civil engineering, your gate score will be somewhere around 640 to 650, maximum 660, something like that. And here in environmental science and engineering, you have got 60 and your gate score is shooting up to 838. One of my students here, she has got, she is currently in IIT Patna, IISM Dhanbad, IIT Dhanbad basically, environmental engineering. His gate marks, her gate marks was only 40, around 40 to 42 or something like that. And her gate score was actually nearly 600 or 650, something like that actually, and she has got into IIT Dhanbad, which suppose through civil engineering she wouldn't have got it in general cast, I'm saying. So that is the main problem actually, and that is the main advantage of appearing in this particular paper, because the whole game of admission or recruitment is only based upon score, not upon marks, and that's you can get the advantage. First thing, this is the future scope if I'm talking about actually. And also definitely you can go into like any branches of your choice wherever this particular score is applicable, and आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो. You can explore MTech, PhD, higher studies, whatever you can do, and also the new PSUs are emerging. Secondly, if I talk about the preparation strategy, actually for civil engineering it becomes a little bit easy, but for some other people also it will become easy if you are actually consistent, if you can remain consistent for the upcoming 4 to 5 months, 4 months to be very frank, to be very precise. So definitely what you need to do is to get in touch with the topics, especially for civil engineers if I talk about, which are not in civil engineering. And for the other people also, like I've come to know about some people who are from environmental science and environmental engineering background, BTech, or some other branches, suppose they also wish to appear for this examination, बट उनका आइडिया ही नहीं ये चीज़ें क्या है। कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक जो उनके सिलेबस में नहीं है, लाइक माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, लाइक एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री, कहाँ से पढ़े? So they are failing to do it. In our course, we are going to provide you everything along with math and aptitude as well, which is the biggest advantage currently you are going to get. That is math apti. Because most of the people, they neglect this part, math and apti, and they fall prey to it. Because what you have to study, we are going to discuss everything with you, starting from previous year questions, the expected questions, mock tests, everything, सब कुछ होगा यहीं पे in this particular course, and the price of this course is kept only at 4,000 rupees, 3,999 up till Diwali. So till Diwali, this offer is going on. After that, the price is again going to shoot up, because the price is generally kept at 4,800, and this is currently at 4,000. And again, for female students, you are going to get 10% extra discounts. So it is a super duper offer that is currently going on. Register yourself. Your price will be written as 4,799. Okay, in the combo course, that is your civil environmental science plus math apti, register for that actually, right? But the price for the combo course will be actually effectively, when you will pay, you have to pay only 3,999. So register right now without wasting your time. You are going to get recorded plus live classes, because courses have started from earlier. You are going to get those recorded classes, and also some live classes are going on. That class also you are going to get. तो सारे के सारे चीज आपको मिल जाएगा ओनली एट 4,000 रुपीज. तो जल्दी से जल्दी रजिस्टर कर लीजिए टू एंश्योर अ सुपर डुपर रैंक in GATE 2023. For more such informative videos, definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join my Telegram channel. Bye bye, take care. I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Bye.